STDCM takes out mass rally demanding ST status for Meitei community. Warns of total shutdown if government fails to send recommendation by March 6. Chief Minister Nongtho Mambiren inaugurates Imphal West Veterinary Hospital, new structures of Kwakaithel Police Outpost, various local clubs and community halls. CAF and PD Minister Kadam Sham espouses translation of Manipuri literature into English and Hindi to popularize the rich heritage of Manipur. And Youth and Affairs and Sports Minister Lepao Haukip inaugurates first ever open gym of Manipur at Lilong Chajing Lakpa Puiromba Eco Park today. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur took out mass rally and demand for inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution today. The rally, participated by titular King Laisemba Sana Jauba and large number of people, started around 11 this morning from Thangmaiban Thao ground. They chanted various slogans like Enlist Meitei in ST list, No ST, No vote, Long live Manipur, etc. and marched towards North AOC from Kuyathong and passed through Kurai Ahongpung, Soibam Laikai, Nongwaibung Nahabam Chutek to finally conclude at Hapta Kangjibung Palace compound where a public meet was held. Attendees took 3 resolutions which include demand for state government to send recommendation to Centre for inclusion in the ST list by March 6, failing which STDCM warned of total shutdown by 6 p.m. of March 9 till midnight of March 10.
Ngasi miyam ge thamoi da changla iba miyam ge thamoi da haure iba mairi asi asuki matik magi mapangal si kalle asuki matik magi momento se wange aduna Manipur government ta daba udaba khangdaba tawiraganu athuba matamda miyam ge thamoi da gi lauriba kholaw se tabiraga tawom thokpadu athuba da ngasi haye ngasi gi manungsida aikoi gi code of conduct lakthringe mamangsida lokhotpam thokpado lokhot piragadi miyam la suki matik Thagatkani, Quaidigi Mang Taraga Leraba, Quaidi couldn't lamba Pangaba, Quaidigi line of Tokama, Mariste Kalu Haragadi, a scheduled tribe, Maitei Mita says scheduled tribe list of San Basa, but Quaidigi line have a share, a koi Miam na Kangabani. Madam D. Base Barot Kisambidana, Piraga Lerabani, Piraga Lerabani scheduled tribe say Lauro, Magi Subam Toba criteria. Mayam do suraga di lauro ay koi pire na levani madu lauro si haiba matamda laibak sigi mapu oriba lenga asina makoi gi recommendation am kakchang bodo thabi o haibeneba.
Chief Minister Nongtho Mambiren has inaugurated Imphal West District Veterinary Hospital, new structures of Kwakaithel Police Outposts and various local clubs and community halls today. A team of cabinet ministers and MLAs led by Chief Minister Biren first inaugurated new structures of Kwakaithel Police Outpost and then headed for Mekola to inaugurate Imphal West District Veterinary Hospital. The Chief Minister also inaugurated new classrooms of Ningombam High School, various local clubs and community halls during a ceremony held at Ningombam High School ground. Foundation stone for construction of Hyangthang CD block was also laid on the occasion. Speaking in the inaugural event, Biren stated that the present government aims to eradicate poverty and bring equal development. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham called for translation of Manipuri literature into English and Hindi to popularize rich heritage of Manipur. He was speaking in the inaugural of a literary complex dedicated to renowned writer of Manipur, late Dr. Kamal, on his birth anniversary today. Naharol Sahitya Premi Samiti also presented its annual literary award in the event held at its office at Dr. Kamal Literary Complex in Langthabal Kunja Mayai Laikai. Padma Devi Award 2018 was presented to Ningshang Laishingwung. Telem Ningol Atol Bema Award 2018 to Doneshwar Konsam. Tayingjam Jayanta Poetry Award 2018 to Irungbam Deven, and Moirangthem Narendra Sana Medal 2018 was conferred upon Dr. L. Tejbati. State awardees were also felicitated on the occasion. Minister Karam Sham also stressed the need to form a committee to take care of Dr. Kamal Literary Complex. He assured to provide necessary funds for the maintenance.
Mapalgi Saitagi, the Hantuoga, Akoigi, Samas, the Kanganba, Adusu, Matudagi Hirna, Akoigi Lady, but one crabber, Saitagi, Pukaisi, Hindi, Emily, English, the Hantuoga, Bari Pomo Itawaksi, and a Kumang Sauction, the Honabagi, Tangai Fatavalai, Haina, Puming the Paujabatu, the Winaba, Piltogeri, Complex, Pazana, Luna, Nana, the protector of the Tamnanaba. Masigi maintenance taunanaba the chamchama committee ma semaga thambiu aidi thabak da thajaba nupani paisa gi award ko lairo.
Education Minister Sham announced to donate 10 lakh rupees annually for the next 3 years to Sainik Board for the welfare of Army ex-servicemen in Manipur. He made the announcement during Sainik Sammelan observance held at Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh office in Kanchipur today. Speaking in the event, Minister Radhesham said, ex-servicemen are retired Army, Air Force and Navy who once worked with the sacrificial spirit for the nation. He maintained that even after retirement, ex-servicemen continue to serve the nation. Lauding ex-servicemen for the exceptional quality of discipline and responsibility, Radhesham urged everyone to imbibe the quality possessed by ex-servicemen to succeed in life. The Education Minister said he will contribute the amount for MLA Local Area Development Fund starting this year. BJP Manipur Pradesh President cum Rajya Sabha MP Khetrimim Bhavananda also assured to urge Union Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to establish Manipur Scout and to extend aids to ex-servicemen in the event.
Army Force, Armed Forces, Army, Navy, Air Force. Ahom si tolok kamu ex-servicemen. Service si tolok wana akoi kanodi akoi servicemen no ebide kusok toktel. We are still military. Akoi loina adum ujiksu we are serving for the country. Anytime we are ready, adu ujiksu akoi we are totally different from others. Sainik Welfare Department laigado bani adu akoi 7,500 helaga di jila isu laigado bani. Yes. Akoi government na we akoi kanam ta blame tawum se isor da so mayam yeng ko isor da so aina pama pot se hangrag di isor so pide. So if you don't ask, you don't get it. Hangrag di kaim da from way adana masida akoi kanam ta soi banate sarkana tawrakani na khalla le rambe tawrakani tawraktari akoi na taw hoina hai ba se da ka ta hai ba adu ngasi ri tanja sa na hai bi re akoi tawna hona jage
akoi BJP na khwai gi thaja jab se akoi nationalism hai akoi na lebak chi bunuk si na ai gi punchi ji kathok ki hai ba ji kanana tawge army na tana traga akoi gi defense ki kanu kangu na tana kanam da leite bra na khali madugumba achouba kathok pa sacrifice gi damakta thabak punchi ju pa kathok raga laraga ngasi Sammelan ma sinbadagi akoina khangdaba mayam urudaba mayam akoina interaction tawgi khutong sawa ma phangmuda ngasi mayam gi kano mayam taba phangjabada yam nungaire.
Art and Culture Minister L. Jayanta Kumar expressed a desire to construct a theatre complex for Manipur. He was speaking in the valedictory function of the 15-day-long production-oriented theatre workshop held at Chandrakriti Auditorium Hall in Palace Compound based on the philosophy and ideology of Mahatma Gandhi. The workshop was jointly organized by North East Zone Cultural Center and Art and Culture Department. Minister L. Jayantakumar also stressed the need to develop the culture. He lamented that due to financial constraints of the government, development of every art form of the state is hindered. The Art and Culture Minister urged people for cooperation in all undertakings of the government.
The Assembly session manungda sungarang koi da hangat kiyo mayam ubiram mani. Dia koi lay makili budget provision koi ubiram mani. Yamna nungai taba hagadra. It is so pathetic. Koi artist na wari ba makong shoni kamu na wari ba mayam. Tauningi ba mayam macheningi makili kongjian se masi kong kut fazil laga pul laga miga phono na haibatong na haibatai. But a very little resource matig budget matig manung to the piraga. Ningon dagi helakta basuya de so haiba peshana koi pidaba. Kapning ba haibatai. Koi yam na cheningi yam na wang matata tauningi. Chima tau de penny da haibing mayam ama wakalo lelang wani but special legit of high lady makli budget chiri da koina minor department ni hatna suhajan bere khong uchu punjan bere at major department pi ba si yong le pi bisuna ta ba hatna high tai da ko yang wa na kona makli matang du ko lady makli pot sang sita ko develop ta na ko hona ke.
Manipuri Association in Northeast India, Mane Kasar, held a discussion meet on economic empowerment of Meiteis in Kasar. The meet was held at the residence of one Ngariyambam Modhuchandra at Ranipur in Kasar. Attendees stressed on setting up of Mane units in various areas along Trans-Asian Highway to empower the community. Mane leaders of Northeast states, including Takilambam Kamla from Myanmar, attended the meeting. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the major fire at Kongman Mangjil, gutting down one house and 6 shops last midnight. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. One house and 6 shops were gutted down in a major fire at Kongman Mangjil around midnight yesterday. The fire gutted down one computer center, a stationery store, a furniture shop, a 2-wheeler vehicle workshop, a tailoring shop and a hair salon. It also set ablaze portion of a house belonging to one S.H. Satyajit. The fire is suspected to have started from the furniture store. Owner of the computer center and the stationery store reported loss of 15 computers and properties worth 50 lakh rupees in the fire, while properties worth 4.47 lakh rupees and 6 2-wheelers of the workshop were reportedly destroyed by the fire. The High Court of Manipur has approved to hear the writ petition against alleged misappropriation in quota allotment for candidates in the recruitment result of Manipur Police Constable Male Civil 2013 batch declared in 2018. Court has ordered to serve a notice to respondents of the petition filed by 12 candidates of the recruitment examination against the state government and other 2,202 individuals. Judge of single bench of the High Court has intimated advocates of the respondents to file their affidavits within 4 weeks. Thaubal Commando team apprehended a member of proscribed KCP People's War Group from his residence around 7:45 this morning. The arrested person is identified as Maishnam Ratan, 24 years, son of M. Sanathoy from Tentha Kunau Awanglaikai. Maishnam Ratan is reportedly involved in extortion from various schools in Kangabok and Bishnupur. Co-operator of Imphal Municipal Corporation worth number 26, Maibom Paumei distributed free gas connection to 63 beneficiaries under Ujwala Yojana in the ward today. The distribution program was held at his residence in Namdolong. Speaking on the occasion, Maibom Paumei said that the distribution was carried out for the 5th phase to ensure LPG connection to every poor household in the ward and that the 6th phase distribution is slated for the next month.
Kaigadamaka masi piri banabu hariba aigi water hanjin hairi ni laire be yam leiri masana gas ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯊꯣꯡꯖꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯕ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯖꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯒ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯨꯝꯊꯣꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯝꯖꯕꯗ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯄꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯤꯒꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯜ ꯊꯥꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯦꯁ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯂꯞꯗꯤ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯁꯥꯎ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯋꯥꯔꯗꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯟꯒꯠꯂꯒ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯍꯜꯂꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
Banned Manipur Naga Revolutionary Front in a press release informed that the front held its 8th Foundation Day observance at its council headquarters and other unit headquarters. Front Chairman Atai Siro led the manned event held at council headquarters attended by front leaders and its members of all ranks. Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Lepao Haukip inaugurated the first ever open gym of the state at Lilong Jajing Lakpa Puirai Iromba Eco Park today. The gym was constructed under the initiative of MLA Langthabal cum CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham. Speaking in the event, Lepao Haukip lauded the minister for the initiative. He reiterated that good playgrounds are required and not expensive stadiums to enhance sportsmanship. Minister Karam Sham stated that the open gym was constructed with an aim to divert youths of the state from intoxicant abuse towards a healthy life.
Sikak nataba ate chakot khongthang naharon sing sigidamak adagi ahallamangi alaira leita singi matieng tauba sum makhatana taubagi khudong chaba adum makhatana su tasamda pigani na thajaba le masigi open gym ase mai pak po oira sanuna
kuyi khunai si nisada kari de yam ne di changchal lakpa aduna gym gumba sum si ura kanda di sawong da sada da hakchang gi oina kari gumba khara masa phaning bagi wakalon sungsoi soina pokani aduna numit manga tarani dang gym sida kakhalaga sanaba konaba tawba kanda nisha nungsa thadongning boi wakalon lakani.
Athlete Muthum Manikanta, who is on a lone walk rally on all the districts of Manipur spreading the message of no to drugs and stop mob lynching, reached Jiribam yesterday. He started his journey from Kangla on February 20th. Officer in charge of Jiribam police station flagged off Manikanta for Senapati district today. The flagging off ceremony was organized by All Jiribam Working Journalist Union Jiribam, that is AJWJU. Speaking in the event, AJWJU advisor T.H. Sharat Kumar and AJWJU president N.G. Biswajit urged everyone to encourage and support Manikanta. They also wished him a successful journey. Manikanta thanked Jiribam Police and AJWJU Jiribam for their support. Jiri Police personnel and members of AJWJU were present on the occasion. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. STDCM takes out mass rally demanding ST status for Meitei community. Warns of total shutdown if government fails to send recommendation by March 6. Chief Minister Nongthoe Mambiren inaugurates Imphal West Veterinary Hospital, new structures of Kwakatel Police Outpost, various local clubs and community homes. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham espouses translation of Manipuri literature into English and Hindi to popularize the rich heritage of Manipur. And Youth and Affairs Sports Minister Lepao Haukip inaugurate first ever open gym of Manipur at Lilong Jajing Lakpa Puirai Iromba Eco Park today.